LONX G3 sheet metal laser cutting machine, built with advanced technology for precise cutting. Equipped with a high-quality drive system for faster, more stable operation. With the max speed of 120 meters per minute and 1G acceleration, it balances both high efficiency and precision, capable of cutting a wide range of materials and thicknesses. Follow-up laser head protection with edge source dust extraction function ensures higher safety and cleaner operation. A high-strength integrated welded bed with a 960 kilograms frame improves stability by 50%. The ultra-high-pressure extruded aluminum beam offers excellent deformation resistance, while the 8mm modular slat frame increases load capacity by 80%. Ideal for cutting heavy-duty, thick metal plates. Standard molded refractory bricks across all power levels. Resistant up to 1,300 degrees Celsius. An ergonomic operation console with a pneumatic cantilever ensures flexible adjustment for enhanced operator comfort. Suitable for a wide range of industries, including crafts, hardware, environmental equipment, machinery, furniture, and sheet metal fabrication. LONX G3, moving forward into the future of smart manufacturing.